Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hard work feels good. I'm going to show you how to tackle firewood, chainsawing, and more while I share my skills with you. Join me in achieving small accomplishments as part of the bigger picture. It feels good. Give it a try. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Hard work feels good. Today, we're getting ready to cut the grass. It's pretty bad, but I got my John Deere 111. The tires, I've plugged them so many times that it's just time to do new tires. So I'm just going to do a quick video on showing how to do it. I also got to clean the old girl up. She's pretty dirty. But getting ready for the first cut for the season. So to make it easy so you don't kill yourself, I jacked the front end up and I put some jack stands underneath it. It makes life easier. So all we're going to do is take these plastic caps off. I don't have the proper tool to take that off. I'm going to pop the little ring off. And then it comes off. Alright guys, welcome back. Last night I realized that the camera died and it was getting dark out, struggling to get the C-clamp off, as you can see. I don't have the proper tool to take it off, so I used a flathead screwdriver and a pair of needle nose pliers and was able to pop it off. So once you pop it off, you know, don't lose it. I always put everything in the rubber boot cover so you don't lose it. Just pull the tire off. That's garbage. And then clean the axle, because we're gonna pack it with new grease. And actually, the new tires come with a greasing point for a grease gun. So this is what I bought. It's the same size, same everything. Comes with a bunch of washers and different fittings. It's set up for a John Deere, but it's actually set up for a newer John Deere. And then, like I said, it's got the grease point, so you can just pop your grease gun on there and pack it really well. Alright guys, so I got my grease gun here. I'm old school. I know everybody's got the nice pneumatic ones, battery operated. That'll probably come down the road for me, but I grease this every year. Pretty full. It comes right out, so it's greased. Just put the tire back on. Washer on. Let's go try to get this clamp on. Okay. There we go. Now we see grease coming out. Okay. Alright, one side down, one to go. Alright guys, well, that's about it. Putting new tires on the John Deere 111. Pretty easy, pretty straightforward.
Don't forget to always grease your points and everything. Make sure it's good. Got to give the girl a bath, but we'll do that. Get on to the next thing so we can start cutting the grass. All right, till next time, guys. Don't forget, hard work feels good. Give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. It all helps me bring more videos to you. Until next time, keep up the hard work.